Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix IKEA login problems, verification and email errors step by step clearly. Open the IKEA app or go to IKEA.com and make sure you are using the correct country site for your region. Check that your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data once. Close the IKEA app completely or refresh the browser tab to clear temporary loading issues. If you are on a browser, try an incognito or private window to rule out saved session problems. Carefully retype your email address and confirm there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. If you have multiple emails, try the one you used for IKEA family or recent purchases. Select Forgot Password and request a reset link to confirm the account is recognized. Open your email inbox and wait at least 5 minutes because verification emails can be delayed. Check the spam, junk, promotions, and updates folders for the IKEA email. Use the search box in your mailbox and search for IKEA and verification to find hidden emails fast. Make sure your mailbox is not full, because a full inbox can block new verification messages. Add IKEA to your safe sender list by allowing emails from IKEA.com and Noraply addresses. If you use a work or school email, try again with a personal email because filters may block automated codes. Copy the verification code exactly as shown and avoid typing mistakes like 0 and O or 1 and I. Return to the IKEA login screen and paste the code if the field allows it to reduce errors. If the code says expired, request a new code and use the newest email only. Do not request multiple codes too quickly because older codes become invalid and cause confusion. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic, since wrong time can break verification. Update the IKEA app from the App Store or Google Play to get the latest login fixes. If you are on a browser, update the browser version and restart it to apply changes. Clear browser cache and cookies for IKEA, then try signing in again with the same email. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily, because location changes can trigger security blocks. Turn off ad blockers or privacy extensions for the IKEA site, as they can block verification scripts. Try a different browser or a different device to confirm whether the issue is device-specific. If you see email already in use during sign-up, stop and use the login option instead of creating a new account. If you changed your email recently, look for an IKEA message confirming the change and verify that address. Contact IKEA customer support through the official help page and provide the exact error message and your region. After support responds, follow their steps and then try one more clean login attempt on a refresh session. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.